Hello friends, welcome to the channel of healthy lifestyle and herbal skin routine, and in this channel you will get to know the properties and uses of plants and the use of natural ingredients in toners, masks, and handmade creams that you can make at home with very simple equipment. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right now, and by touching the bell you will be notified of the latest news. I will make 3 skin masks together. I will tell you about its properties. Stay with me until the end of the video. The main base of the mask will be banana, the first mask. We need half a banana, I would like to explain the properties of bananas for the skin. I will start with the high vitamin A that bananas have, which makes bananas act very strongly against spots and lighten dark areas such as underarms and bikini. Banana is full of carotene and vitamins B, B1, C, and E, which this fruit rich in potassium can make your skin bright and young if used topically. Bananas contain retinol, which helps fade dark spots and blemishes caused by sun exposure. Regular use of a banana mask for facial whitening can solve the problem of uneven skin. Using bananas to whiten the skin, especially dark areas of the body such as underarms, around the neck and around the bikini line, is highly recommended for skin whitening at home. This mask works 100%, you just have to use it regularly. Putting banana, honey, and potato juice together creates a skin concoction that will transform you into a full, even, radiant skin in the shortest possible time. This mask for filling under the eyes and removing forehead and eye lines and laugh lines shows its effect the first time. Friends, the Healthy Lifestyle and Skincare channel solves all medical and beauty problems with details and scientific reasons for you and explains them to you. By subscribing to this channel, you give me energy, and by publishing videos and leaving comments and welcoming you, my dears, it encourages me to provide more complete content. So let's support each other and become a member of the channel right now. Maybe YouTube will no longer show you my videos. For the first mask, we mashed half a banana, then added a teaspoon of honey, grated a medium-sized potato, and then added the mashed banana and honey to the potato and mixed well. The next step is to add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. These ingredients work so well together that they work to regenerate the skin, especially skin that has been severely damaged, such as skin that has been burned. This regenerating potion does not allow the new skin to differ in color and repairs and regenerates the lost skin texture much faster than other creams. Make this mask daily, it is much better. The amounts mentioned in this mask are for 1 day of use on the skin. Bananas, with their B vitamins, are a strong antioxidant that reduces the signs of aging and keeps the skin flexible. Most importantly, the presence of these antioxidants can treat acne and scars faster. friends, we made the first mask together and learned about its benefits in regular use. Subscribe to the channel and be sure to tell us in the comments about the topics and content we create. What content you would like us to make more videos about. Are you ready for the second mask? In the second mask, we need 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, along with a glass of water, and place on low heat for 20 minutes. Did you know about the benefits of chamomile flowers for skin and hair? Chamomile benefits for the skin, and I explain. 9 benefits of chamomile for skincare. Chamomile is a medicinal plant that is used worldwide to treat skin problems, digestive problems, and anxiety. This plant has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-anxiety properties that are commonly used in the cosmetic and health industries as an extract. Below, we will examine the benefits of chamomile for skincare. Point 1. Soothing skin inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile may be useful for relieving symptoms of skin inflammation such as pimples, acne, redness, itching, and skin inflammation. This plant contains amino acids and flavonoids that help improve skin health by reducing skin inflammation. Point 2. Skin moisturizer. Due to its moisturizing properties, chamomile can help maintain skin moisture and elasticity. This plant contains natural essential oils that help moisturize the skin and make your skin soft and smooth. Point 3. Improve skin damage. Chamomile can help improve skin damage due to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. This plant can help improve skin health by reducing the number of bacteria on the skin and relieve symptoms such as redness and acne. Point 4. Helps treat eczema. Chamomile may help treat eczema. Some research has shown that consuming chamomile extract can help reduce inflammation in the skin and improve eczema symptoms. Point 5. Helps improve the condition of the scalp and hair. Scalp and hair. Chamomile may also be useful for hair care due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Using a shampoo containing chamomile extract can help strengthen hair and improve the health of dry and brittle hair. Also, a hair mask containing chamomile extract can help repair damaged hair and improve the health of dry and lifeless hair. Point 6. Helps treat sunburn. Chamomile can help treat sunburn due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Using chamomile extract can help relieve the pain and inflammation of burned skin and quickly improve the health of your skin. 7. Helps reduce acne. Chamomile can help reduce acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Using chamomile extract as a toner can help reduce the number of bacteria on the skin and improve acne symptoms. Point 8. Helps reduce skin aging. Chamomile can help reduce skin aging due to its antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in chamomile can help fight oxidative damage and reduce the formation of wrinkles. In this regard, using products containing chamomile extract can help improve skin health and prevent premature aging. Point 9. Increase skin repairability. Chamomile can help increase skin repair due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This plant can help improve the skin's healing process and heal wounds, burns, and skin injuries. If you have seen the previous content, you must be aware of flaxseed and its power to hydrate the skin, eliminate wrinkles and sagging, and fight aging. I can boldly say that one of the most powerful natural treatments for sagging skin and rejuvenation is the use of flaxseed gel. It has revolutionized skin rejuvenation and has skin like Asian women. Use this seed and its gel a lot in your skin routine. The gel is ready, made from a mixture of chamomile flowers and flax seeds. Now add a tablespoon of clay to the gel. It is better to mix it with a blender. Your mask is ready. Do you know about the benefits of using clay? For those who don't know, let me explain what amazing effects clay has on the skin. Friends, touch the bell to learn about the latest beauty masks and skin health news. Benefits of clay masks for the skin: opening skin pores, cleansing the skin and removing dirt and impurities, eliminating excess skin oil, treatment of acne, blackheads and whiteheads caused by clogged skin pores, since heat causes sweating and more oil secretion and absorption of impurities by the skin. Using this mask in the summer will give you the best results. Treatment of dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema and rosacea, reducing wrinkles, disadvantages and disadvantages of clay for the skin, and effectiveness and improvement of acne and pimples caused by hormonal reasons, dry skin, inflammation, and itching in rare cases. Now that you are fully aware of what ingredients and with what properties you have prepared, and you value your skin and its health, I promise you that I will transform your skin into a unique and beautiful skin without paying expensive costs and high prices. Always choose your skin routine consciously. Creams or masks whose recipes always go viral may not be right for you. So first, read or on my channel, choose your skin routine consciously with the properties of plants and the correct recipe for putting them together according to the strength of their properties. This mask will keep in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. You can use it 3 times a week, especially if you have open pores or acne scars. You will see the effects the first time you use it. My mother hides her age with this mask. Our age difference is 30 years, but everyone thinks we are 2 years apart and doesn't notice our relationship at all. This is the power of masks. Choose the right one. You will learn more by subscribing to this channel. Are you ready for the third mask? I hope you enjoyed it so far. Always increase your knowledge. This is the best way to excel in all parties and gatherings. You talk about beauty and skin health. You name herbs whose properties are as good as Botox or laser therapy. Everyone loves your words. So you are a hero. Please introduce the channel to your friends. Let everyone be a hero. For the third mask, we need 5 tablespoons of rice husk. All supermarkets sell it in packages. Because it is high in fiber, its infusion is excellent for thickening and thickening hair. Mix it with 3 tablespoons of milk until it resembles a paste. Your combination. Would you like to learn about the properties of rice husk for the skin and its effectiveness? I wanted to say earlier that half a banana is used in the first mask here, but don't throw away the banana peel, because by adding a teaspoon of clove or cinnamon powder and tying it to your wrist, it is an excellent anti-inflammatory balm that will also soothe your pain. And if you wrap it with a cloth, from night to morning, weakness and pain will go away and peace will be restored. The beauty secret of Japanese women is the use of rice bran masks. This material has been used by the Japanese for skin and hair care for many years. And in recent years, the use of rice bran masks has gained special popularity all over the world. Bran is the outer shell and thin layer of rice grains that is separated from the rice grain and destroyed during the production process. This shell has many positive properties on the beauty and health of human skin, and is used in the treatment of many diseases. Also, bran oil, which is obtained from rice bran, is used to treat some diseases. Rice bran is rich in vitamins, nutrients, and minerals that help improve the health and comfort of the skin, and has a great effect on the softness and exfoliation of the skin. In the following, we will discuss the effect of rice bran on the skin and its properties, so stay with us. Properties of rice bran on facial skin. Rice bran is an important component of rice. This ingredient has nutrients and medicinal properties, as well as vitamins B and E, and beneficial antioxidants that can help improve and maintain skin health. Its properties include brightening, softening, exfoliating the skin, soothing the skin, treating blackheads, hydrating the skin, and preventing skin aging. Rice bran is usually suitable for most skin types. It contains natural fats that can prevent dry skin and keep it soft and moisturized. To better use rice bran, it can be used as a skin mask or use cosmetic products that contain rice bran. Best ways to use rice bran. Rice bran in powder form can be used to cleanse the skin. Rice bran oil can be used as an oil to keep the skin moisturized. Its tea can be used as a beneficial drink. Add mashed banana to the rice husk and milk that has been kneaded, and this mask is a gentle exfoliator to cleanse pores of all daily impurities and shrink pores with continued use. It balances the skin for oily skin, is a powerful moisturizer for dry skin, and is an excellent rejuvenator and treatment for fine lines and superficial wrinkles for balanced skin. The last ingredient we'll add to this mask is a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, as coconut oil is a highly saturated oil that is traditionally made by extracting the oil from raw coconuts or dried coconut kernels. It's solid at room temperature, but when heated it can soften or even melt. It's often used in cooking or applied directly to the skin and hair. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which are a type of saturated fat. In fact, these medium-chain fatty acids make up about 65% of its total composition. The fatty acids found in coconut oil are lauric acid, 49% myristic acid, 18% caprylic acid, 8% palmitic acid, 8% capric acid, 7% oleic acid, 6% linoleic acid, 2% stearic acid, 2%. Although coconut oil is about 90% saturated fat, it also contains small amounts of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. 1 tablespoon contains about 12 grams of saturated fat and 1 gram of unsaturated fat. Benefits of coconut oil for facial skin. Coconut oil is a fat extracted from raw coconuts or dried coconut shells. Therefore, its emollient properties may be beneficial for certain skin types, such as dry or normal to dry skin, when used as a nightly moisturizer, as coconut oil's benefits for facial wrinkles are very beneficial. Coconut oil contains nourishing fatty acids that help hydrate and protect the skin. The most important of these fatty acids are linoleic acid, vitamin F, which helps retain moisture in the skin, and lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties. If you have dry, flaky skin, using coconut oil's anti-wrinkle and dehydration properties instead of your regular moisturizer may help your skin feel soft and hydrated, leaving it looking refreshed and smooth when you wake up.